Hey there, this is Annie, and today I'm going to give you my honest review of this plastic and foil wrap organizer for Ziplocs and other storage bag items. When I first saw this, I was really intrigued. It looks so nice, and it certainly does look nice in person as well. I was especially hoping to be able to use this with my aluminum foil because I don't like using the package that it usually comes with when you have to cut it. But first, let's get to the specs on this item. So we've got organizer that measures 16.5 inches by 12.9 by 3.5. According to the manufacturer, if you include the slider, the height is about 3.2 inches. The larger slot should be able to hold a 250-foot roll of aluminum foil. I like how beautiful this is. It comes in this natural bamboo wood. The feel of it on the outside is very smooth. It feels like it's been treated with some kind of coating. I'm not getting any kind of splintering. It includes 2 long sliders, and all you have to do is take the paper off the back. And it has adhesive included on it. You just stick it down right into the grooves. It's nice. It also includes the option of mounting it on the wall. And it came with a drywall, inker, and the screws that you need to do so. So for the positives, this is absolutely stunning. It definitely makes everything look more organized. I really like the look and feel in my cabinets. Feels like a major upgrade from the chaos that I had previously. I'm able to add small snack bags and some gallon-sized plastic Ziploc bags. I'm also using it for my trash bags. If you want to squeeze the box in, it's possible, but it might be kind of challenging. As an added bonus, they even include sticker labels. The cons here, though, unfortunately, I could not cut the aluminum foil using the slider that was provided. All the other accessories work just fine, the regular plastic bags and trash bags and things. So overall, I'm really pleased with this. I think it's a nice addition into my kitchen, and I feel a lot more organized. So I would give this my recommendation.